How to work with document checklist. Document checklists help you collect required documents from clients through organized, trackable lists. Once sent, you can monitor progress, make adjustments, and manage the collection process efficiently. If you discover missing items after sending a checklist, you can add them at any time. Open the checklist from either the client's documents section or from organizers. Make your changes. They save automatically. The Organizer section gives you a quick view of how clients are progressing with the checklists you've already sent them. Filter to show only organizers with checklists. Then check the checklist column to see how many documents each client has uploaded. When you receive documents through other channels, email, in-person meetings, or phone calls, you can upload them on behalf of your clients. From Organizers, open the checklist and choose to change answers. Upload the files, then match them to the corresponding checklist items using the drop-down menus. Documents are organized by category for easy matching. Once all documents are submitted, send documents directly to tax software for automated data entry. To learn more about Juno's AI-powered document extraction and processing, check out our separate video.